How to get started in meditation. Are there specific times and places to meditate? Are there any prerequisites? How do you choose the right method? Here are some tips that might help you. What is the best time to meditate? Meditation involves being aware of what is happening both within and around us. It's a natural part of everything we do, 24 hours a day. Learning to watch rather than being immersed in experiences may take some time. Meditation techniques are designed to help you develop this skill and integrate it into your daily life. Some methods are most effective when practiced at certain times of the day. What's important is finding a method that fits your lifestyle. If a technique requires a specific time, try to maintain that schedule, making it as routine as brushing your teeth or having breakfast. Where to meditate? Many meditative techniques, like focusing on the breath, can be practiced anywhere. Active methods, however, require a room where you won't be disturbed and can move freely. For emotional release, a space where you can make noise is beneficial, though not essential. What to wear? Loose clothing is recommended as it allows your energy to flow without restriction, enhancing comfort. Minimizing disturbances ensure you're not disturbed. Distinguish between external noise, which should be observed rather than seen as a disturbance, and interruptions like phone calls or people entering the room. Meditation doesn't require complete silence, it's about observing everything, both inside and out. Posture-specific techniques may require certain postures. Generally, sitting with an erect spine helps you remain alert and aware, as gravity aids the posture. You can sit on a chair if it's more comfortable than the floor. If lying down, lying on your back minimizes the risk of falling asleep. Overall, comfort and relaxation are key. Psychological preparation. Avoid meditating with specific goals or expectations. The secret is to let the process unfold naturally. Wanting something to happen can actually hinder progress. Enjoy the meditation for its own sake, and results will come when you aren't demanding them. Cultivate an attitude of receptivity, openness, and relaxation. How to choose a method? Experiment with techniques that appeal to you. Not all will suit everyone, and you might outgrow a method over time. Meditative methods are practical tools to access an inherent quality, so feel free to experiment playfully. Once you select a method, try it for at least 7 consecutive days. If it resonates with you, commit to it for a minimum of 3 months. After this period, decide whether to continue or explore a new method. Starting with active meditations like Kriya or Kundalini can be beneficial. If Kriya feels too intense, try Kundalini. Practice regularly, and incorporate small techniques into your daily life to help maintain awareness throughout the day. Each method is scientifically designed, so follow the guidelines and commit wholeheartedly for maximum benefit. Consistency is crucial. It's like heating water. At 99 degrees, it's still water, but at 100 degrees, it transforms into vapor. Perseverance leads to transformation.